welcome to another day in paradise and welcome to the Dutch fortress in Galle in Sri Lanka. We are going to stroll around and explore the old colonial city and see what Galle has to offer, with many tips, tricks and everything you need to know. Right now we are on the outer walls, no entrance fee. Let's have a look. This time we used another guide and he showed us around and told us that you can use the old walls as a walk around all over the city, so you can just circle the whole city by just staying on the walls. In the fort you will find four things: the fort, jewelry shops, souvenir shops and restaurants. So we chose the Indian hut for lunch today and got some vegetable fried rice and some curry and 2 drinks each. That's 5,000 rupees in total. Let's munch. So the curry is quite spicy and hot. The rice isn't really fried rice, but if you mix both together, it's really good, really delicious, and I would recommend it with either an orange or a watermelon juice. Both are absolutely fine. After a couple of hours strolling through the city, we made it back to the point where we started from, the entrance gate. Actually there are, I think, 2 of them, but the main one is where the big roundabout and the cricket stadium is. And we are going to end the day here, and also we are going to end the city here, because tomorrow we are jumping on yet another bus to Hikaduva, chill out a couple of days at the beach again. So I hope to see you around over there. For that, make sure to hit the subscribe button, also hit the like button if you haven't done that already. And until then, enjoy, have a good time. See you somewhere, somehow, sometime. Peace.